Okay, here's my grinder. As you can see, just a 1/2 horsepower motor, 15:1 gear reduction, wired a cord to it. Please forgive the mess. Comes down to a foot pedal, and step on the pedal, the grinder runs. And the intention is going to be to hang this part over the edge of wherever you're working on the grinder, and a bucket handle should just hang right here and let it put out right into a food grade 3-gallon bucket, which I got some from a thread I saw on this site. Went and talked to my local grocer and they set us up with some buckets.